Hi, we painted all the things and now we're dry. And now I have an assistant for step 2. Pops?
Hello?
He is gonna be my assistant. He's gonna help with the glues and all the stuff. So let's get started. First, get things around the house, supplies and stuff. And then get the board from last episode. We should do our name first at the bottom. So we're gonna glue this on. It's good to have an assistant with you, like my friend Pops over here. So, Pops, we can start gluing.
Okay.
And you can put the lasso in the middle. And then
The tassel.
the tassel in the middle. Now, let's take something that's gonna be the 2020, and you can make a 2 with a marker and then bend it with it. See how I did it? To make it really easy, make a U and then touch it. There you go, 2020. Now it's time to secure the numbers. Pops, can I try gluing?
Sure, it's easy.
All you have to do is push the trigger. The board's starting to look great, but I think it needs something special up here. I know! A rainbow! Thank you, assistant, for burning his hand off. Add the glue, please.
Be my pleasure. It's clear Gorilla Glue.
Now it's time for teamwork. Pops, may you do the honors? Okay, it's done. Guys, now it's all dry and it looks great. Now it's time for the final step. Yeah! Okay, Pops, we have to glue it on. Put something heavy in the bowl when you're done, so it stays put. Now it's time to let it dry. Thanks, Pops. I couldn't do it without you.
It was my pleasure.
If you're really strong to have hot things on your fingers, you can push it down by yourself. But if you're not, you shouldn't.